Conservation genetics allows us to assess population health and to look at the total genetic reserves held within wild populations. And this is an excellent thing we can look at and we can use for cycads, because cycads are so old and they're so at risk in wild populations due to such small population values and such few of them now, because the cycads are only a fraction of their diversity that they were during the Cretaceous period. However, cycads are still evolving. My PhD project is about exploring new approaches for the conservation genetics of cycads. Now, I'm going to focus on one particular genus, which is the genus Cycas. Cycas is one of 10 genera within the Cycadales. The cycad is a group. The cycad is split into two families, Zamiaceae and Cycadaceae, and Cycadaceae only contains a single genus, which is Cycas. Now, I've chosen Australia for my focus area because within Australia, Australian cycads are very poorly understood and very poorly researched, but they have excellent populations. So the fieldwork is going to mainly focus within the Northern Territory of Australia, and I'm going to look at 3 species of cycads. I'm going to look at 2 subspecies, and I'm also going to look at 2 putative hybrids. And we're going to look at the genetic reserves held in each population for 10 populations of each species and how these compare together, and then look at these and how what we have represents what we have in ex situ conservation collections. So how these genetic reserves from the wild populations compare to the ex situ conservation collections. And then we're going to create a strategy to conserve these plants for the greater good.